Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And look, we got something that came in the mail today that kind of surprised me that it came today. So, a big shout out to the folks over there at Dish and Boost Mobile. I really appreciate this. So thank you so much for sending this out to me. Yeah, I got something I'm going to be testing out for a couple of weeks. And you know what? If it's super solid, it's going to stay in my lineup. So anyways, what we got in the box, looks like we got a SIM card or a SIM kit, and we got the Celero 5G. Now, I've dropped a video coverage about this, just kind of talking, it's Dish Boost Mobile's, like, it's their phone. How T-Mobile has the T-Mobile Revel, Dish has the Celero. This is a Dish Boost Mobile phone. So it's exclusive to them, right? You're not going to find Celero on, like, Verizon. Anyways, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and tear into the contents of this box. I am really excited to open this thing up. It looks pretty cool. So I will say, yeah, wow. I'm going to get ready to open this right now. We'll pull the sticky tabs off on the side of the box here. I'm going to be careful. I don't want to tear the box at all whatsoever. Keep it in good condition. So we got it off. Let's go ahead and open it in all of its glory. Reveal the Celero 5G. Wow. And oh man, I can tell you guys right now, it feels sturdy, but it is light. And for me, I kind of like that preference. A light phone, yeah. We got a Type A to Type C cable right there. And we have what looks to be a 15-watt charger. So we'll put that off to the side. And it looks like there's a box underneath the phone. Let's see what we have inside here. We got the SIM ejection tool right there. That's pretty nice. It comes with that. I like companies that include that in. They're very thoughtful. If you haven't lost a SIM tool, you are a very responsible person. Just saying, side note. All right. Let's see what we have in here. And what it looks to be is the quick start guide and other information for you to read. People normally don't read them, but I'd say read them because you might find some handy information in there regarding the phone, and that way nothing comes as a surprise to you. However, we'll put that off to the side, and I'm so ready to boot this phone on. Obviously, I'm going to put my account from Boost Mobile on this phone and test it out. So let's take the protective sleeve off of it, and it really does. If there was a way for you guys to feel what I'm feeling, oh my gosh, there's a headphone jack. Yes, I use wired headphones. Type C at the bottom, noise canceling mic and speaker at the bottom, and on the top we have a noise canceling speaker there, microphone, sorry. SIM tray on the left side of the device. So it kind of looks like it's sticking out, but it's actually not. And then we got the back of the phone, which I'll tell you guys right now. Yeah, turning it on, it seems pretty cool. And it's got a very strong haptic feedback when you power it on. You can really feel the haptics. But I was just saying about the way the phone felt. It's light, but it feels sturdy. And I love the way that the sides of the phone is. It's got that kind of squared off box rectangle type feel. So it's not rounded. So I really like that. It's going to be very comfortable in my hands for long periods of time. So here we go. The Celero 5G animations right there. Wow. I got to say, like, it looks good. I mean, cameras will never do it justice in seeing it in real eye view. So now that I've been signed into my accounts and we got all the apps updating in background, yeah, I gotta tell you guys right now, the way that it feels, yes, it is a mid-ranger, okay? Yeah, we're not gonna front here. It's a mid-range device. It feels pretty good right now. It feels pretty fluid. But of course, I will make my final judgments in the full review of the Celero 5G. Of course, I have to check out the cameras. I really do. I'm very interested in that. And they look pretty good. Check out that shot. That photo right there looks pretty good for what this phone is. So I'm already feeling very optimistic about the phone itself. Of course, I've missed that Boost mobile wallpaper. It's just it's a bit of nostalgic that I'm feeling right now, but also a bit of excitement to see what Dish with Boost is doing. And yeah, even this right here reminds me of the Next Bit Robin. That's the power button slash fingerprint sensor. So I mean that's pretty cool, and I've registered both my index finger on the left and my thumb on the right. The back of the phone is a plastic feel, which makes me feel good because glass phones, I get a bit nervous with those, dropping them and they get smashed and it costs a lot to replace them. So just having a nice solid back like that and the way that the body looks is really nice. Let's check out the selfie cam here, and wow, that looks pretty cool. Big thumbs up. Snap that photo. Yeah, definitely. But you guys can follow me on Instagram, link in the description, and I'll be posting photos and videos of photos I take from the Celero 5G, as well as doing one here for YouTube. Everything else I'll get into in the initial impressions video later on this week. But if you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Celero 5G, smash that like button to let me know. Subscribe if you have not. Thanks for checking out my video, and as always, aloha.